Welcome to Kickoff 2025. I can tell you this is the fastest growing home services company in America. We exceeded our plan this year in profit, and we are up as a business 14.6%. Most importantly, however, is we want to build a place where people have a career and not a job. Over 836 promotions last year. Heroes help when no one's looking. Heroes do things that no one else wants to do. Heroes don't take the easy road. And ultimately, that makes all the difference. Trust me, we are not on an easy path.
See, we reap what we sow. We live in a world that if you want some corn, you by God have to plant some. You have to get up, leave the cave, kill something, and freaking drag it home. Things don't happen unless you push, and anytime you push something, you can count on friction. Something's gonna push back. Count on it. Step into it.
What do you believe in as a leader? What is your moral capital? How many people are following you? And are they following you with joy? I realized that when I run into a rough time, as a leader of myself, I retract, I meditate, and I sit back and develop that fundamental thing called faith.
Groundworks, make no mistake. You have already been the hero for thousands of families living their worst nightmares. Your generosity, selflessness, and yes, even your push-ups have fueled medical advancements that have hit us one step closer to the finish line.
Let's go. Flutter kicks, bust them. Squats, bust them.
One of our values, right? Core tendency is work till the job is done right. And I know thousands of men and women do that every single day. That's what we do. We work until the job is done right. Every single time.
Stand by, bust them, burpees, let's go, last round.
There's not a lot of home services companies growing like we are that have employee ownership, that have all the things that we've got going for us.
Because all employees at Groundworks are also owners, every day if you can be thinking about, is there a better process? Is there a better idea? Is there a better customer experience?
Don't wait for this role or the next role or the next role. Do it now.
Don't seek perfection, seek balance. Be healthy, spiritually, physically, mentally. Because a balanced person comes to work ready to do the right thing. Be fair to your fellow employees. If you do all those things, your company will be successful.
The truth is, real momentum never happens quickly or easily. It always happens over time. Leadership serves, and leadership that serves casts a vision, sets a standard, requires competence, requires excellence.
Being a hero is hard. Be a hero to your family. Bring honor to what we do. Only working together can we change our lives.